This is my portfolio website, and I created a button to showing my introduce video. When anyone click the button, the video is showing properly, and the scrollbar is visible now, and the user are able to scrolling. But I want to hide the scrollbar when the model is opened, and the user cannot able to scrolling. It will be like this. When I click the button, the model is opened, and the scrollbar is hidden, and I am not able to scrolling now. I will write the JavaScript code here. First of all, I need to find all the document. Now, I will write a condition. When the model is open, the scrollbar will be hidden. Now, when the model is open, the scrollbar is hidden. But when I close it, the scrollbar is not showing. Now, I need to write another condition. When the model is closed, the scrollbar will be visible again. Now, I will write another condition, else body dot style dot overflow. Now, if I open the model, the scrollbar is hidden, and I am not able to scrolling. And when I close it, the scrollbar will be visible again. Now I am able to scrolling. Since I am using React.js, that's why I need to have the JavaScript code inside a UseIt hook. If you use vanilla JavaScript, you don't need to use UseIt hook. Thanks for watching the video.